Today I'm going to give you an overview of the KSC 60 cordless sliding compound miter saw. This is a sliding compound miter saw and has nearly 12 inches of crosscut capacity, and it is cordless, so it's going to run off of 2 batteries. You can run it off of 1 as an 18-volt machine, or you can run it off of 2 as a 36-volt machine. It's also equipped with an EC-TEC brushless motor with a variable speed control. The KSC 60 is a compact and portable miter saw. It has a top handle for convenient carry. It can also be picked up from underneath the table. It weighs in just over 37 pounds without the batteries installed, and with 2 5-amp-hour batteries puts us just over 40 pounds. The miter saw has a cut depth of 2 3/8 inches. That's the distance between this arbor nut and the table of the machine. The crosscut capacity is 12 inches or 305 millimeters. You can miter the saw 60 degrees right all the way 60 degrees left. The saw has 2 built-in extension wings. This is part of the main table area of the saw, and this allows us to have even greater work support for larger pieces. The support fences can also be adjusted in and outboard, left and right side. The saw can be beveled 47 degrees left and 46 degrees right. To do that, I'll release the star knob in the back. It allows me to bevel to the left, and if I want to bevel to the right, I'll push the override button here. And now I'm beveling to the right. When the batteries are on, I'm able to push this button, and that'll turn on an LED in the head, which will illuminate a shadow line on the cut line. The saw is also supplied with an angle transfer device, which is stored in the rear of the machine. The angle transfer device allows us to quickly capture an inside or an outside angle and transfer it to the saw. Blade changes are a breeze with a supplied wrench. Simply push in the arbor lock and use the wrench on the arbor. The KSC 60, being a portable cordless miter saw, can be used on various different work surfaces. You can use it on a workbench, one of our MFT tables, or ideally something like the Capex UGG stand, which is a collapsing portable way to transport the saw and also put it at just the right working height. Alternatively, we have the Capex MFT, our multifunction table, at a reduced height, which also puts you at the right working surface. And if you're using it on the floor, the saw is provided with 4 additional feet you can use to put the saw at just the right height, so that if you use the Sustainer M112 size next to the saw, you will have the same work surface. So this allows you to extend the material support area. The KSC 60 is a fully featured cordless portable miter saw. It has everything you expect from Festool in terms of durability and precision, with power to run all day long.